Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside PowerPoint with your presentation open. Click File, then Options to open the main settings panel. On a Mac, choose PowerPoint Preferences instead. Once the Options dialog appears, make sure you're on the Proofing or Autocorrect tab depending on your platform. Those sections hold typing and correction controls. You want to access the Autocorrect settings now. This is the first actionable step because Autocorrect runs at the application level, so changing it here affects every slide you edit. Now, navigate to Autocorrect options within the proofing section. You'll see a list of automatic replacements, capitalization rules, and formatting fixes. Uncheck the boxes for things you don't want corrected, such as replace text as you type and correct accidental usage of CAPS lock. Once done, remove specific entries from the Replace list if a recurring change bothers you. Make sure to apply or OK the dialog to save changes. Otherwise, PowerPoint will continue to auto-modify your typing. Finish by clicking OK or Apply so your changes persist across presentations. Then test in a slide. Type a word that previously auto-changed to confirm the behavior stopped. If PowerPoint still corrects text, make sure you disabled the right boxes and restart the app. Also verify system-level autocorrect on Mac OS or Windows isn't overriding application settings. If problems remain, check installed add-ins or synced Office settings that can reapply defaults, and reopen Autocorrect to inspect any reappearing entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.